It's an amazing time to be a Canadian drone pilot. Welcome back to another episode of the Canadian Drone Pilot's Guide. Today we will discuss BVLOS, Operational Readiness. BVLOS in Canada isn't new anymore. It's now operational. But most pilots still don't fully understand what that actually means. Transport Canada expanded drone regulations back in November 2025. Now, heading into spring 2026, we're seeing the real-world rollout of beyond visual line-of-sight operations, along with the integration of medium-sized drones. But BVLOS is not open freedom. To operate under low-risk BVLOS, you must remain in uncontrolled airspace, stay below 400 feet, and maintain separation from airports and aerodromes. And this isn't for recreational flying. To operate at this level, you need an RPAS operator certificate, an RPOC. This marks a shift from simply flying drones to actually operating within an aviation system. Operators can now conduct BVLOS flights over unpopulated areas, and in some cases, operate in sparsely populated regions using pre-validated pathways. But this is structured expansion, not full access. This is where Level 1 Complex comes in. With the new framework, you're no longer just flying, you're managing risk, systems, and operational outcomes. Heading into spring 2026, the biggest shift is this. BVLOS is now being used in real operations. Planning is no longer optional. Operators are expected to think ahead, anticipate failures, and manage the mission from start to finish. Planning is the operation. To operate at this level, you need strong airspace awareness, the ability to assess and mitigate risk, and a deep understanding of system limitations, like signal loss, latency, and automation behavior. This is already being applied across industries, from agriculture and spray operations to infrastructure inspection, environmental monitoring, and remote logistics. This is where drones become true operational tools, not just devices. And this is the real shift happening in Canada. We've moved from a system based on permission to one based on responsibility. Not you're allowed to fly, but you are responsible to operate safely. If you're a pilot in 2026, this isn't the future. This is your baseline. If you're serious about advancing your operations, now is the time to train. Take a Sugu Drones course and qualify for advanced or Level 1 complex operations.